Did you know that a single CyberPunk NFT was sold for $23.7 million? Paris Hilton and Jimmy Fallon are accused of being approached by NFT companies to act as influencers. Well, you need to create demand somehow. For this video, we are targeting new and medium NFT buyers. What would be your best NFT strategy for future gain? We will share what the experts do with you. Number 7. Buying the ceiling. A ceiling NFT is a viral asset that is rare and expensive. They are often relegated to traders with extra cash to trade. Nevertheless, once these high-profile traders get involved, the NFTs become a sensation. Celebrities buy and promote them, which further raises the growth potential. Some celebrities do not even know what NFTs are or the ones they purchased. They're only buying because they can afford to. Absolutely no one has mentioned Fallon and Hilton, so stop giggling. This high cost cups the bargaining power of the NFTs to only the wealthy and a few individuals. Ceilings are a tremendous opportunity for traders who have a large spending cap. On the other hand, there are times when buying underpriced NFTs can become gainful. Paying less than the selling price at first means you have the bargaining power. This could become your ticket, as NFTs are known to rise after massive crashes. We will tell you more shortly. Number 6. Diversification. It is possible to buy more than one NFT from a collection. As we mentioned earlier, there are significant differences in the characteristics of the NFTs. Therefore, one should diversify by buying more than one within a high-performing project. You would not be erased from the chain after one buy when you eventually start selling. This is because you have others on the chain that you can hold on to should another price hike occur. Smart move. Diversification could also mean buying more art so that you can set your gallery upon a metaverse land you purchased. The opportunities are limitless when you buy more than one. Number 5. Buying underpriced NFTs. When you buy underpriced NFTs, you will not make any money in the immediate future. The newcomers should aspire to find NFTs selling at lower prices than they originally bought. As the bargaining power lowers, there is a chance that the NFT rises again to claim its bright spot. There, you will reap so much more. Therefore, avoid marketplace trends if you are here to make money for the long haul. Number 4. Value buying. The best NFT strategy is to compare your choice to other projects in terms of rarity. In investing, you buy what is most valuable for a long time. It would be best if you did not decide to purchase NFTs that will always be compared to other tokens. To illustrate, there are 10,000 CryptoPunks in the world. However, not all of them cost $23.7 million as of February 2022, or even $11 million as of June 2021. There are some characteristics that make them more valuable to buyers. When some specific traits are scarce, the demand would always outweigh supply, increasing your investment. You know our value, so you have stayed till this point in the video. We appreciate you and encourage you to subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. Number 3. Market. Minting is an excellent NFT flipping strategy. The dream is that the NFT performs well, and someone buys it off your hands at an incredible price. To emphasize, that is the concept of investment and trading in general. When you decide to mint an NFT, check its rarity and whether or not it has a market in the future. If the NFT has a clear purpose and a supportive community, you are sure to make your money back. Are you likely to purchase an NFT that donates to charity? Let us know in the comments. If the community attracts people, you do not have to invest too much in marketing the NFT. As well, potential help buyers navigate the NFT to ensure that they feel at home enough to consider buying the tokens. If you invest your resources to create and elevate the market, you do not need to spend so much on the NFT. There are promising NFTs that start at floor prices, and we will share more on floor buying as a strategy shortly. Number 2. Trends. It does not take much for one to determine the community around NFTs. Even if you are new to it, a quick Google search would reveal if it is a trendy one in the market. In addition, Google shows you the public sentiment and the scale at which people search the keyword. This might be the only time a keyword ranking high is a positive sign. The more people are directly researching and using keywords that show an interest in buying, the better your chances of getting involved. Other platforms like Twitter, according to Twitter, Discord, and Telegram groups gauge the market interest in an NFT you want to mint. Number 1. Buy the floor. We might not be done with NFTs in a long time. The more we subscribe to the idea of cryptocurrency, the better its market expands. Keep this in mind when buying an NFT today. It is possible that the NFT you purchase today could become the most successful in 3 years. Remember CryptoPunks and how it took 4 years before they became famous? Exactly. Think long-term. The floor price represents the lowest price of the NFT within any category. Moreover, once you have seen the floor prices you like, apply filters to eliminate those you are not interested in. Therefore, you would pick a rare NFT with a low price and could be a potential top seller in a few years. With the talk about checking rarity scores and community, you might want to check out the top 5 best NFT tools to find NFT projects in 2022.